Hey, Witten. Are you driving your Jeep? Good job, buddy. How do you honk the horn? Can you show us how to honk the horn? Yeah, with your face. Good job. How do you honk the horn? You're not going to do it now that the camera's on, huh, buddy? You can use your hand to honk the horn.